Why can't large language models plan in a complex and unpredictable world? I'm not talking about planning a limited trip or a small task with repetitive patterns. I'm talking about large, complex projects, involving innovative work and business leadership. Let's try to explain this with an example from chess. LLMs use deep learning. How do they play in this field? Deep learning, with its multi-layered neural networks, dives into past data. It examines the data and learns the abstract rules, patterns, tactics, and successful strategies of the game. It then calculates possible positions and chooses the next move. These systems search through past moves to determine the next move. But how does deep reinforcement learning play? Let's first consider reinforcement learning, which works in a completely different way. This form of learning doesn't need lots of data. It starts by knowing the basic rules of the game. It learns by playing against itself again and again. It conducts trial and error, simulates wins and losses, and it continually improves itself until it understands the entire chess world. It subsequently models the chess world with deep learning, which allows it to create a picture of the future. Understanding the long-term goals and strategies allows it to plan its short-term tactical moves in the present. AlphaZero's historic achievement in the world of chess is a good example of this capability. AlphaZero relied on deep reinforcement learning. It was only given the rules of chess and then played against itself for 9 hours. It defeated Stockfish, the world's most powerful chess engine, which had been trained on human games over the course of a decade. Deep reinforcement learning is the power a leader needs for decision-making in complex and unpredictable environments, such as the business world. In such environments, we must be able to continuously clarify the current and desired states, simulate the outcome of decisions, devise paths for achieving goals, and learn from mistakes. This process is how intelligent beings, or rather, living beings, operate.